Hello guys, this is 24 Dino doing an unboxing video and review of these Adidas soccer shoes. Of course, we have the black and white box, very simple, and the cleats are A17.1s in a size 11. Um, so let's open the box and let's see what's inside. So first off, we have the wear and care instructions in all sorts of languages. And let's get that out of the way. Now we have the string bag, or the sack bag as some people want to call it. Adidas logo on the left, Ace logo on the right, and we have these strings, very thin strings. The bag itself feels kind of cheap, but we're getting a free bag, which Adidas has honestly never done until recently, so I'm happy with that. Of course, the bag is see-through, and that does it for that. Now let's get this out of the way so we can get to the jewel of the video. So here we have it, guys. This is the Dust Storm A17.1s. Let's get them out of the box real quick and get the box out of the way. So there it is, man. First thoughts is the color is amazing. The white and black contrast with three stripes being a highlight yellow looks amazing. It definitely stands out. But let's get to the tech of this shoe. Of course, the upper consists of all prime knit, and that prime knit material is found within a lot of the shoes that Adidas make, like Ultra Boost, for example. So that prime knit is very comfortable. It's pretty much like a sock, and they implement it into a soccer cleat. Now, it is a one-piece prime knit upper, so because of that fact, the shoe is a little bit more snug. But those are my first thoughts. I would let you know later on when I have the shoes on feet, so I could tell you guys. But it has, of course, a central lacing system and Adidas logo there in the middle with the highlight yellow. Also, the shoe itself has these texture dimpled effects all throughout the shoe, to the toe box, midfoot, and the heel. I'm not sure why you would need it there, but you know, it's there. And I'm assuming Adidas is calling this the control skin, because that dimpling effect definitely gives you a little bit more grip on the ball. Now, a third thing is that the upper, as you can tell, there's like panels to them, right? That right here feels like a sock, but then at the bottom where you see that cutoff, it pretty much is a film, a protective film, because the prime knit would probably allow a lot of water and dust into the shoe, so they put a protective film or coating to prevent that. Now, of course, we have the sprint frame here. We'll talk about that later in the video. And now let's move over to the inside of the shoe. So here on the inside, they actually provided a little bit of cushion on the ankles or near the ankles. You can see one right here. Definitely some cushion there on the side and on the other side as well. Anywhere where I could take any kind of like comfort benefits, I'll definitely take it. And on feet, it definitely feels pretty good as well. And here is the sock liner. So this is a one-piece EVA up a sock liner, but the upper part is actually made out of suede, which I love, because suede always kind of locks down your foot as opposed to the cloth material that they used to put on it. So a very basic, simple sole. It's just a lightweight one. Nothing too crazy here. And you can see the honeycomb effect right there. But yeah, get that to the side. Now let's talk about the sprint frame. So the sprint frame is like one of Adidas sole plates. Oh, actually, let's start off with it has 4 studs in the back and 7 studs in the front, 3 on the side, and another 3 on the other side, and 1 in the middle. It also has a heel counter, and the sole plate, because it's so light, it has these 3 ridges, so you could tell there, just to structure the sole plate a little more, and not lose the integrity of lightweight or a weight. You can tell here on the top we have this texture, just to grip the ball a little more in case you don't make contact with the cleats. And yeah, that pretty much does it, guys. So I'm actually gonna go play with them. I have a match soon. I'm gonna play with them and then give you an on feet portion of the video. All right, see you soon.